Joining this competition, we want to introduce our solution to resolve domestic wastewater treatment in Vietnam. Nowadays, almost cities in our country don't treat wastewater in order to meet environmental standards before discharging into river and sea.
Because of many reasons in environmental, economic, and healthy aspects, wastewater treatment in cities become pressing and necessary. However, we only saw the first step how to make wastewater is not stagnant in city zone, but discharged water is still highly polluted. In Ho Chi Minh City, the biggest city of Vietnam, only 7% of wastewater were treated before being discharged into rivers. Ho Chi Minh City has only one integrated wastewater system. It's the Bình Hưng Wastewater Treatment Plant. Capacity of this plant is only 141,000 cubic meters per day, while total wastewater quantity of this city is about 2 million cubic meters per day. Main wastewater sources in city are domestic wastewater, hospital wastewater, and industrial wastewater. Result of BCD project for building the wastewater pollution control action plant in Hanoi capital, Hải Phòng, and Ho Chi Minh City figure out that total discharge of wastewater from domestic source of three biggest cities in Vietnam is about 800, 200, and 900 cubic meters per day respectively. About hospital source, there are less than 50% of hospitals have wastewater treatment systems, and the treatment capacity of these systems are too low. Many do not meet the environmental standards. Hanoi capital has 33 hospitals, more than 200 medical centers with total discharge is about 6,000 cubic meters per day. Total discharge from hospital of Hải Phòng City is about 2,000 cubic meters per day. Ho Chi Minh City has 83 hospitals, 26 medical centers, with total discharge up to 20,000 cubic meters per day. In our country, wastewater drainage systems are combined with rainwater drainage systems, and most of them were built in the last century, so it leads to many difficulties in wastewater treatment process. Local government cannot destroy all the current system and replace with modern system. There are over 700 municipalities in Vietnam, but there are only 10 integrated municipal wastewater treatment systems. Moreover, wastewater management in Vietnam is limited, and environmental awareness of Vietnamese citizens has still limitations in understanding the pollution sources and realizing the individual responsibility for environmental protection as well.
Therefore, it's necessary to set up the wastewater treatment system for large discharging units such as tenement house buildings, office building, hotel, resorts, and so on. We propose one solution for this problem. It has two parts. First one, we use butterfly technology to treat wastewater. Second one, social enterprise model is applied for business.
We would like to propose an effective wastewater treatment technology, meeting criteria and ethics requests with the low-cost butterfly F. It is previously manufactured the following module. This wastewater treatment cluster is made by the composite material with comprised of two clean tanks, combining the treatment process of the mechanics and anaerobic aerobic biology. Operating regimes of the system is controlled automatically the following time or level of the water by controllers. This process starts at detention compartment. Wastewater is into tank by pump. Detention compartment is designed to neutralize flow and quality of the wastewater before getting into anaerobic compartment, then the pumping to aerobic treatment 1. The development of the benefits microorganisms is accelerated by mixing air, active sludge, and wastewater. This mixture is transferred to deposit compartment as displayed. Sterilization equipment are utilized for all the different clients. In comparison with integrated wastewater treatment system, Bustafast technology have the cheaper investment cost per the triple meter and operation cost the 10 cents per triple meter per day, need the less area and do not affect to the scenery of tiles of buildings.
Over the last 20 years, renovation and the open door policy in Vietnam has created significantly the development of the business in the non-state economies and the social organization.
Social enterprise is a new concept and considered as one way to develop its society and economies in the sustainable ways, because its strength are abilities to apply the business model based on market principle and the demand to address the market factor and social issue, especially after the implementing of the domestic policy in the 1986. Social enterprise applied commercial strategies to maximize improvement in human and environmental well-being, rather than maximize profits for the external shareholder. Social enterprise are often recognized as a hybrid model between two types of non-government and organization, non-profits and businesses. Most profits are reinvested to expand the scope of organization and social objective. This model has the long history of development in the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Japan, Korea, Thailand, Singapore, Kenya. In Vietnam, there are now 290 social enterprises operating on fields of activities such as training and career, tourist service and entertainment, transport service, energy and water, education, health, culture, every handicraft, agriculture and food security, and so on, and being supported and promoted by some organizations as Spark Center for Social Entrepreneurship Development, Center for Social Initiative Promotion, CSIP. Our solution will focus on the two main activities. The first is to help protect the environment by providing Bustafast app technologies, a domestic wastewater treatment and environmental consulting service. The second is to provide the finance for the student research program in environmental protection as university research institute and organize the workshop, training course and careers to improve the people environmental awareness. We mainly focus on the Vietnam market. Currently, there is only 6.6% of the social enterprise are working toward contributing to environmental protection. This not only brings us challenges, but also opportunities.
With specific conditions of Vietnam, we believe that our solution have the positive effects not only to the wastewater treatment, but also the environmental protection.